Hello and welcome to another day of trading with the quantum wave system of Forex trading. I missed yesterday, got a little crazy, so we'll pick up today. Our last trade was the pound franc, and we entered here. Oh, and it did a nosedive right away. Almost stopped us out, but not quite. So, and it's rebounded. We'll just let that one ride. It clearly broke out of this wave three here, so it may just crash and burn. The pound USD hit our limit. The Aussie Japanese yen hit our limit. Those have closed. And today we're going to look at, let's say, EURCAD just for fun. Let's find that. Euro Canadian. And open that up. And let's find our wave one. The big picture here. What is happening in the big picture of the Euro Canadian dollar? Let's start with this trend here. Going up. Well, let's bring it past that little wick point there. Okay, and we go 3 pixels. Go yellow for wave 1. Okay, and duplicate that. Let's bring it up to this point here. Well, not super strong. Let's go right to the top. Let's see if that works. Yeah, that looks pretty close to a good wave right there. Bottoms and tops, had little point outs there, but nothing to be too worried about. Those kind of match up if we did that. Let's go recent here. Let's try that. Kind of works as a support point here, resistance there, zigzagging through over here. Yeah, so I think we got a wave going right here, a big wave one. So let's close that in around the most recent activity here. You can see it's been bouncing on these internal support resistance lines. And let's get in a little closer there. Okay. Now, let's go to our 1-day chart. Zoom that out. Okay, we still got this going on. Yeah. I think we'll look at this as a possible wave 2 here. So trend line segment, go to that point. Is this a wave 2? Let's find out. First off, 3 pixels, and go, what's our color for wave 2? Green. We'll go with the green 2-day. Okay. Green 2-day. And does that confirm anywhere? Possibly there. But on the bottom, the most important point here, it doesn't really, it's not what I would say is a convincing wave 2. We've kind of got this here. I mean, these do match, that kind of matches there. Let's fine tune that a little. Well, it's broken out. I don't know. Don't know. Not convinced about this one. I'll leave it in just for fun. Let's get in closer. Let's do a 1-hour chart. And just look at this last sort of upwards trend, see what's happening with that. Can we get a convincing wave 3 here? Well, okay. Excuse me. All right. We go red for wave 3, right there. 3 pixels. Okay. Duplicate. And let's find some internal confirmation. Yeah, that's looks like a pretty solid wave 3 trend line. There's our new one right there. Is that a lower support point? Kind of there. Support, support. Main support here. It's broken through. Oh, let's back out of that. I want to look at something else. Let's back out again. Go back to our 1-day chart. Let's see if we can get a better wave 2 happening here. Highlight that. And yeah, I don't really think so. I can't really see anything here. I mean, you could do this, bring it down like that here, but that's already broken out of that wave, so that sort of becomes meaningless at this point. So this could have been a big, it doesn't help us predict anything. Okay, getting back into it. Let's zoom in there a little. So we haven't got, it's broken to the top of that. So yeah, this is not a happening thing here. So all we really got are the yellow lines and these red lines. The wave 1 and wave 3. Maybe this is wave 2, who knows? And overall uptrend, bit of a downtrend here. But again, it bounced off of here. So it's been doing this bounce, bounce, up to the top, almost top, going back down, up to the top again. You know, based on all of this, I would say most likely we're traveling between here. I would put this as a sell in quantum wave analysis. We want to sell down to somewhere about here. So let's find our target point. Horizontal line. We're going to target somewhere right about there. Okay. And make that again our green line. I should make wave 2 turquoise. Make this 2 pixels. Okay. Here's our limit. Our stop would be somewhere just kind of above here as a high point. Kind of a safe area to be in. So horizontal line. And right up there. Okay. And let's make that pink, 2 pixels, stop. Okay, stop, limit, we're here. Not a great risk-reward ratio. We're kind of almost in the midpoint, but we don't really care about that right now. I mean, in the real world, no, we would not take this trade. But for the sake of this show and to see how well it does, using Quantum Wave, we're going to enter and just see what happens. So, market short on the EUR CAD. Now let's put that together. EUR CAD, can we find it? Yes, here we are. Quick trade, no. Market, sell. We only want to sell 2,000, and we're going to add in our take profit stop loss. Take profit 1.4344. 1.4344. Oh, 1.1. I hit the 1 by accident. 1.43, right? Yes, 4344. Okay. And our stop is 1.5125. Or is that a 6? I think it's a 1 point. Hold on a second. Let me just confirm that. Okay. Stop loss is 1.5125. There we go. Sell market. Everything looks good. URCAD and place order confirm. There we are. Okay. Okay, and we're on our way. Let's look back at the pound franc. I think it's gone our way a little bit here. Pound HF. This is always a pretty tough pair to trade. The pound franc. I've never done well with it, to be honest. Well, still rising, popping back up. We'll see what happens. Okay, so thank you for tuning in. Please like and subscribe. It really helps. I would like to keep doing this, so I appreciate your support. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow.